Maya here. Today's day number 2 of my newfound scrapping business. I just been picking up a bunch of crap that's been sitting around the shop, sitting on the floor, wires, cans, shit like that. It's really just shit that was sitting around. So what I did was I went and got me some 55 barrel drums and just started filling them. As I was walking around doing work. You know, I've worked about a full day on it so far, but this is just the second day of doing it. I already have the aluminum 55-gallon drum full. The copper, it's about a quarter of the way full, but there's some heavy-duty copper in that. That sucker is well over 100 pounds. As far as steel goes, that barrel's full. I got another bed full of steel back there. I probably have 2 or 3 full truckloads of steel already that I can take. I have so much steel, it's not even funny. I have a full load of aluminum on its way over also. As far as how much, I don't know. It could be a truckload, it could be 2 truckloads, I'm not sure. It's going to be a big unit, and all the walls are made out of aluminum. It's 32 feet long with a roof, and all of that is aluminum. So I got 4 walls and a roof. Inside there's copper, there's who knows what else. So as soon as I get that all busted down, broken, I'll show you the big pile of that, and then we're going to take an aluminum load in. So we'll see what happens. Like I said, it was day 2. Today I'll show you what we're dealing with as soon as that other load comes in, and then we'll break it down, we'll rip it apart, we'll stack it, we'll throw it on the trailer, and then tomorrow we'll take it into the scrapper just to see what we're doing here. And if this works out to be pretty good, it's something that I'm definitely going to get into. It already has my interest. I mean, I've just picked up shit that was laying on the floor and sitting around the shop in the corners, stuff that's been sitting out in the fields for a while. And, you know, me and my brother we got at it and we ripped it apart. We tore the copper out. We started separating the metals. And here, I'll show you right here. I got the 55-gallon drums. Right here, there's aluminum, there's steel, copper. That one's trash, but that little barrel there is all lead, brass, stainless steel, shit like that. That's a big-ass generator right there that we ripped apart, man. That thing was full of copper, hundreds of pounds. So, stainless steel barbecuer. I got some more stuff in that wheelbarrow right there. But that's just what I've picked up off the ground in about a day, a full day of work. I got batteries, I got all kinds of stuff, and this was just shit laying around. So once I get all this cleaned up around here and I get good habits built, that's the most important part. What I'm trying to do is just build habits. Throwing copper in, throwing aluminum in, taking the time just to separate it, put it in. That's going to be extra money every month. This is not our main source of income. That is going to be a multiple source. But it's building the habits. That's the most important part, is developing these habits and figuring out the trade. If I can make it to where this is hitting on all cylinders and it's making profit, then I can hire a guy to sit here and sort through shit that I get to him. And there's farms as far as the eye can see around me. So what I'm going to do is, if this works out, I'm going to get somebody to go and just collect scrap. Have a guy sitting here and doing that, you know, separating it, doing this and that. Well, we're still working. If this is multiple source, it kicks out what I want it to, in which it will. I already know it will, because those barrels right there, in just a day, I can't even lift those. I'm going to need the Bobcat to pick those suckers up. So, it's looking promising. I'll let you know what's up. We'll see how the rest of the day goes, and I'll see you tomorrow.